Hi everyone, my name is Kaitlyn Callahan. I'm talking about my shopping spree. I chose to use the website Play with a Purpose. This is the link right here. Um, as a newly brought in teacher to the educational system at Ramona Elementary School, I found that the equipment that the children were using during PE were worn out and falling apart. In their current state, the equipment is unable to fulfill its purpose. The balls we have are worn out, the gripping is falling apart and torn out, the hula hoops are crushed in places, and the jump ropes are fraying. As I begin my teaching career and begin developing new curriculum, I have found that the equipment we have now is unable to serve its purpose. In order to fix this, I am proposing that we buy all new PE equipment by providing children, family, warranty guaranteed equipment that can be repaired if damaged. In doing so, students will be provided with a quality physical education that can, in turn, help them be prepared mentally for their classes after mine. I was sure to choose age-appropriate or developmentally appropriate equipment for fourth grade students. When researching what equipment I should buy, I found it very difficult to decide what I wanted to do because there were so many choices. However, based on research on how students in the fourth grade should be able to perform and what skills are necessarily needed, I chose equipment that would help further those areas. So the first item that I chose is titled the Fun Noodle Foam Obstacle Course, which is right here. This is the picture. Um, I chose to purchase this because it encourages team building activities. It helps with games of tag, competitiveness, and being able to persevere and endure when challenges are put in their way. This totaled to $16.45 when including the $6.50 worth for shipping and the sales tax of $1.50. The second item that I chose to order is titled Rainbow Soft Progressive Ball Pack, which is right here. Um, I chose this because it comes with 25 pieces and a sack to carry them. These are very versatile and allow for both indoor and outdoor play. This totaled to $254 when adding the cost of shipping, which was $33.83, and sales tax of $22.11. I know this price may seem a little like a bit much, but it does include 25 pieces and then the ball sack as well. So I think that um, it's a very wise purchase because this does include a warranty. So if any of the equipment we buy from this website are messed up in the future, then um, we're able to get them repaired for a low fee. So third item that I chose to purchase or would like to purchase is titled Dura Hoop Flat Rainbow Set Hula Hoops. So these are 14-inch in diameter, and I chose this because it promotes flexibility. These particular hula hoops won't bend if they're stepped on or misused, and they're also great for marking sitting areas in a classroom or outside, and they're great for tossing in games. So the total price, including shipping and sales tax, was $57.59. The shipping was $7.64, and the sales tax was $5. The fourth item that I chose are titled Rainbow Polypropylene Jump Ropes, which are right here. This is a picture. These are durable. They're fully braided for indoor and outdoor use, which is very versatile. I feel that this is a great purchase because it enhances fine and gross motor skills and enhances hand-eye coordination. And I chose to order 2 of these because in each pack there are 6. So in total, I would be getting 12 jump ropes. Um, in total, I would be paying $79.30, including shipping, which is $10.52, and sales tax, which was $6.88. My fourth and final purchase would be premium quality parachutes, which is a 12-inch in diameter. This parachute is easy to use, fun to play with, and effective in helping students develop resistance and coordination skills. It also it also helps in promoting social, emotional, fine, and motor skills. So in total, this would cost $72.59. Including shipping would be $7.64, and sales tax, which is a total of $5. So, in closing the pitch to my principal, I would ensure that I relay the information and importance of having a quality physical education program that's geared towards each grade level. I would also stress how the equipment I'm purchasing stresses this idea and helps improve the areas that fourth graders typically need to improve upon based on the research that I conducted. I would also be sure to say that quality products and equipment are key to having a successful PE program that students are excited and willing to participate in. So as you can see, I spent a total of $479.93. This successfully sticks to the total of $500. I do not exceed that limit. So I hope you enjoyed my shopping spree, and I look forward to watching all of yours. Thank you. Bye.